Imagine this is a door, and what we have here is a magnetic sensor to sense when the door is open or closed. The sensor will be installed on a freezer in the basement. And the second system is a display and data processing. When it receives the data indicating the door is open, the timer will start. Let's see what happens when you have the door is open. Closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. So two things will happen when the timer expires. It will beep. Secondly, it sends an alert to my email. Okay, I'm gonna have it open. Timer starts. And then here's the beeper. And it said email, in this case to my Yahoo email. Alert, attention, the freezer door is open.